Hi business heroes! It's just me, HenryBot, your friendly digital guide from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Hee hee hee. Seriously, my costume is pretty cool, huh? Seriously, today, we're talking about something that might sting a little. Why your website might actually be chasing your customers away. But don't worry, I'll help you fix it before your next visitor runs off like they saw a pop-up from 2005. First up, slow load times. Imagine if you had to wait 10 seconds in between each word of my hilarious yet informative jokes. Torture, right? I mean, you know that awkward moment when you click on a site, and then start aging while waiting for it to load? Yeah, don't be that website. Website visitors hate that with a passion, and many will leave your website within 15 seconds if the load times are more than a few seconds at a time, even for web pages with a lot of information. Most visitors leave if your page takes more than 3 seconds to load. That's faster than it takes me to calculate my own awesomeness, optimize your images, use caching, and invest in reliable hosting. Remember, fast sites keep people clicking, not quitting. Next mistake, not being mobile friendly. Over 60% of your visitors are browsing from their phones. If your site makes them pinch, zoom, and squint like they're decoding secret robot instructions, they'll bail faster than my last software update. Hee hee hee. Make sure your design adjusts beautifully on every screen. Responsive design equals happy humans. This brings me to my final scary mistake that could be causing you to lose clients on your website. Number 3, design disaster. If your website looks like a digital garage sale, people won't stay long enough to find the good stuff. Keep it clean, clear, and consistent. Use readable fonts, modern visuals, and simple navigation. And please, no auto-playing music. Nobody wants a jump scared when they're shopping for ghouls and goblin socks. So how do you fix all this? Step 1. Simplify your layout. In the world of websites, simple is always better than clutter. Step 2. Speed it up. There are sites that you can Google to test your site's speed. Test it out before potential clients do. Step 3. Test it on your phone and laptop or desktop computer. And Step 4. Contact us at Ready Aim Digital Marketing. We help business owners create websites that wow instead of whoa, what happened? We even offer free consultations if you just need advice, even if you don't use our services. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your favorite business buddy, and subscribe for more tips from your digital pal HenryBot. I'll make sure to leave the costume at home next time. Hee hee hee. If your website needs a glow up or even a reboot, check out our info below for help. Remember, great design doesn't just look good. It converts. See you next time, web warriors. Oh, and don't eat too much candy.